Hi guys, welcome back. So today we're gonna fix the clutch lever with the new part right here. So it comes with the oil filter. The clutch lever is already worn out. I've used it for about 6 years. And here's the new part right here. Okay. See, here's the part number. You can pause it and see the part number. So here's the new clutch cable. So we're gonna replace the old one. So what we're gonna do first is undo this cable guard here or lock, so we can easily get the old cable out. Alright guys, as you can see, I already removed the old clutch lever, and yeah, it's pretty much worn out, so we're gonna have to replace this one. So I've used this for about 50,000 kilometers and about 6 years. Not 6 years, 5 years. Careful not to lose this O-ring while changing your clutch lever. And make sure to loosen this lock right here with a flat screw so that it's easier for you to remove the clutch cable. Once you remove the old clutch from the housing right here, just simply slide this back so it's easier for you to remove the old clutch cable. I think I might have done it the wrong way, so I'll slide this back because there's a stopper right here. Alright guys, so here's the old clutch cable. So here's the old clutch cable. So as you can see, it's already worn out. Here's the new one. Here's the new one, and this is the old one. After 50,000 kilometers, and yep, it's pretty much worn out guys, as you can see. Alright, let's continue with changing this one. So just slide this over. Back to the clutch housing. Just quick tip, guys. Just copy this one. It's easier for you to. You can copy the length of the old clutch cable, so it's easier for you to adjust. So mine should be like this. And so that sync. Okay. Remember to put the back bay. Remember to, and then put the cable on the housing like so. It's back here. So the cable should have the same play with the old one that you have. Check the length and put this cover back up to the clutch cable. And that's it, guys. That's how easy that is. Check the clutch and you're good. Lock this up. Now you replace your old clutch. That's how easy that is, guys. Here's the old cable and here's the new one. Yep. Hope you like this video, guys, and see you on the next one. Peace out.